Today we have another beard review. I think we're going to keep this theme going for a little bit. Before we jump into things, if there are any specific beard products or beard companies that you'd like us to test out, please feel free to leave that information in the comment box below. Also, being that I have your attention, hopefully, feel free to give this a like or even think about subscribing if you find this video helpful, perhaps intriguing, and you want to see more of these. All right, let's get down to business. Today we are going to be going over Kingsman Beard Club. This was the box that was sent. Pretty rad little setup right here. In addition to this box, they also sent a Kent comb, and these combs are super comfortable. They have rounded tips on them, but I mean, I guess this is just a side note. We want to know about the beard product specifically. And so in the box, we're going to open this up. Neatly packaged. Hopefully you guys can see this. And here's a little envelope with a letter. It looks like we'll be opening this, and we have our, it looks like 2 beard oils and a beard balm. There's that. And let's start with the envelope. Alrighty. So a thank you card, if you will, with stickers. Pretty rad. And then this card right here, thank you for your order. And it has a discount code. So it says use the discount code above for 10% off your next purchase or refer a bearded brother. And the discount code on here is simply KING. So if you do like what I have to say about this company and their product, KING is the code that you put in for a 10% discount. All right, and let's see what else. So here we have a card. Here's the front of this card. And it looks like, I'm reading the back of this card right now. It says cash for points available at rank of night. And it has, I guess, a hierarchy of points, and it has benefits that you qualify for starting with 1 to 16,000 points. So that's kind of cool. 1 to 199 points earned. So that's rewards for that are free standard shipping, 20% off next purchase, stainless steel bottle opener, free 8110 tea comb, so another Kent comb, free sample of choice, free bumper sticker or free sticker pack, and then we'll go all the way to the bottom to the Grand Master. That's 1,600 plus points earned. With that, the rewards are personalized Kingsman bathroom caddy. That's pretty cool. New product not available for purchase, wall art, and more exclusive rewards coming soon, or that are coming soon. So that's kind of cool. This is the first time that I've seen something like this in regard to a reward system for a beard company. So that's cool. All right, now let's get into the beard oil and the beard balm. Can't really hear well. Put that there. So the first oil that we have, this is beard oil. The scent is Holy Grail. Hopefully you can see this right here. All right, and let me get this off. Dang it, I don't have my knife today. But that wasn't really that bad to take off. All right, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna list the ingredients that we have here on this bottle. Ingredients are grapeseed, sweet almond oil, clear jojoba, and authentic oud essential oil. So those are the contents that are in this bottle. Now let's see what it smells like. Interesting. This is very interesting. It's almost a like a musky woodsy smell. So it's really close to being, it could possibly be a cologne. So it's warm, it's sweet, it has a woodsy vibe to it. Let me put a couple drops into my hand. Oh, that was 1 drop. Let's try another drop. 2 drops. Yeah, so this can pretty much replace, in addition to keeping your beard conditioned and soft, this can essentially replace a cologne. So yeah, it's definitely a woodsy smell. As far as the consistency, it definitely seems like another quality beard oil. It's not too watery. There's actually, it seems substantial, not too thick, right in the middle, right where you want it to be. So yeah, so that's the Kingsman beard oil, and the scent is Holy Grail. All right, so we have that. Let's see if you guys can you see this all right? What if I put it like right there? There we are. It's probably blurry anyways. Now we're gonna keep it specific to the scent. This is their beard balm, and this is also Holy Grail. We'll see how consistent the scents are going from a beard oil to a beard balm. Let's see here. Oh, and as far as the packaging, so here's it right here. Hopefully I can get focusing on that for you. And that's what we're looking like. And I'm having a hard time opening this because I have that oil in my hands. It is consistent to the beard oil as far as the scents, because there are some times where the beard oil smells quite a bit different than their balm, but they're really consistent with this. Let's see here, warming it up. Yeah. Now this is, it definitely feels like your typical beard balm. And for those of you that don't know, as far as the balms, well, I guess not necessarily that you don't know, but as far as my preference, the beard oil, I do like to put in the beard to soften it and condition it. But the beard oil, it's a bit thicker, so I like putting it on the ends of my mustache because it helps keep my mustache from fraying on the ends. So I do like that. It helps with structure. Now for the last scent. This is, now this one caught my attention just from the name of the scent alone. So this is Kingsman, the beard oil. The scent is Dragon. Now all you GOT fans, you'll probably be interested in this scent purely from the name alone. Now let's go ahead. You know what, before I open this up, let's read the back. So we have grapeseed oil, we have sweet almond oil, we have clear jojoba seed oil, and also patchouli. Now we are going to open this up, give it a little smell. Now it's not nearly as potent, if you will, as the first one. So that can be a plus for some of you out there that are looking for a scent that's relatively subtle. Let me get another drop on here. So there we go. Sure, rub this around. Earthy smell, and you get that hint of patchouli oil. If you are someone that prefers a scent that's more on the subtle side of things, the Dragon scent will be the way to go. Or if you prefer a stronger scent and in the woodsy realm of things, then the Holy Grail will be the scent that you should probably look into. And again, both of these items, I'll put the link to these items in the description box below. And also, like I was saying before, if there is a specific product or company that you would like me to review, go ahead, leave that information in the comment section below. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.